Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove objects from video in CapCut. So here I have this video and I want to, let's say, remove an object here behind the teacher in a video, this one. So what you need to do is first copy the video or duplicate it. Click on the video and click on duplicate and make one of the video as overlay like this. And after that, on the overlay, click on it and find masking. So since the object that I want to remove is like in the shape of rectangle, so I'm going to use this rectangle masking. So first let's grab masking for the object. Let's isolate this color to cover the object letter. Okay, move it like this, and after that, just click on the check icon here, click on the overlay and move the overlay until it covers the object like this. You can also make it small if you want. Okay, now it is done, and this will be the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.